The iPhone 15 is the upcoming flagship smartphone from Apple, and it is expected to be released in September 2023. There have been a number of leaks and rumors about the iPhone 15, but here is everything we know so far. Design. The iPhone 15 is expected to have a similar design to the iPhone 14, with a flat edge design and a notch at the top of the screen. However, there have been some rumors that Apple may switch to a hole punch design for the front camera. Display. The iPhone 15 is expected to have a 6.1-inch OLED display, with a resolution of 2532 by 1170 pixels. The display is also expected to support a 120Hz refresh rate. Processor. The iPhone 15 is expected to be powered by the A17 Bionic chip, which is Apple's next-generation mobile processor. The A16 Bionic is expected to be a significant upgrade over the A15 Bionic chip, with faster performance and better efficiency. Camera. The iPhone 15 is expected to have a triple-lens rear camera system, with a 48-megapixels main sensor, a 12MP ultrawide sensor, and a 12-megapixels telephoto sensor. The front camera is also expected to be upgraded, with a 12-megapixel sensor and support for 4K video recording. Battery. The iPhone 15 is expected to have a larger battery than the iPhone 14, with a capacity of around 3095 mAh. This should provide for improved battery life, especially when using the iPhone 15's new 120Hz display. Software. The iPhone 15 is expected to run iOS 16, which is the next major version of Apple's mobile operating system. iOS 16 is expected to include a number of new features, such as a redesigned lock screen, improved notifications, and new multitasking features. Pricing. The iPhone 15 is expected to start at $799 for the base model, with the Pro model starting at $999. These prices are in line with the pricing of the iPhone 14. Release date. The iPhone 15 is expected to be released in September 2023, alongside the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Overall, the iPhone 15 is shaping up to be a significant upgrade over the iPhone 14. The new A16 Bionic chip, upgraded camera system, and larger battery should all contribute to a better overall user experience. The iPhone 15 is also expected to be more expensive than the iPhone 14, but it remains to be seen whether the price increase will be justified by the new features and improvements. Other possible features. In addition to the features listed above, there are a number of other possible features that the iPhone 15 could include. These include a periscope telephoto lens for improved zoom capabilities, a lidar scanner for improved augmented reality experiences, an always-on display, support for wireless charging, a new design for the SIM card tray. Conclusion: the iPhone 15 is shaping up to be a very exciting smartphone, and it is sure to be one of the most popular phones of 2023. With its powerful new processor, upgraded camera system, and larger battery, the iPhone 15 is sure to offer a significant improvement over the iPhone 14. We will have to wait until September 2023 to see what the iPhone 15 has to offer, but it is sure to be a major player in the smartphone market. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. And as always, feel free to leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Thanks again for